My name is Chad Sinclair. I'm a professor in the Department of Materials Engineering and the director of the Advanced Materials Manufacturing pillar of the MEL program. Things have changed quite dramatically in the advanced materials manufacturing and generally in the manufacturing field. One of the great shifts has been towards digitization, the availability of data, so-called Industry 4.0. An important thing for students coming into the program is to have an appreciation that materials and the manufacturing of products are really inseparable. It really comes to that interface between materials and how materials can be manipulated through manufacturing processes. Problems in the world are really coming from issues that are technological in nature. What we need are experts who are able to come in and really consult and to be able to provide the expert technical knowledge that an engineer has at a practical level to be able to help provide solutions. I think the program has all kinds of scope for growth. I'd like to see us expand in terms of visits to industry and bringing in new industry players to be able to present or even teach. We're really trying to engage with what's happening not only now, but what's happening 5 years from now, and what we think may happen 10 to 15 years from now. So I think in all realms of society and policy and in technical development, engineers can play and should play a bigger role in being able to be part of those discussions.